Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the final stage of UCL. We are going to play as a Real Madrid FC. This is a legend club in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video. It's for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the quest, challenge the event, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap play and tap the live events, tap the UEFA Champions League event. So there are four page here. The first one is main page, the second is group stage, the third is inform focus, and the fourth, let's see, this is the legend clubs. We play as a Real Madrid in this week, and there are history of this club in 2020, 2001 and 2002 final. Real Madrid defeated Bayer Leverkusen to earn their third UEFA Champions League title in 5 seasons. And we are going to play this match with guaranteed reward UCL club token by 10. Tap the match and play. So we are going to play against Bayer Leverkusen from Bundesliga. And welcome to Champions League. Make sure you win this match, because if you win this match you will progress into the next stage. And you have to play patiently here because it's quite difficult for a new player. You have to learn, you have to master the gameplay first, like how to pass, how to slide. And please make sure you win this game to unlock or to get to the next stage. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.